It's Beth with Tailored Vinyl. We've had a lot of customers lately that are choosing shipping over local pickup, so I figured I would take a minute and create a video to show everyone where you can choose local pickup, and in the different options as far as pay goes where you would choose local pickup. So we're going to start with just our regular go to checkout. So if you click on that after you've clicked on agree to the terms and conditions, it will take you to your options, your payment options. In here, it already has the local pickup selected because I've done this a couple of times. I'm going to scroll down and show you from the very beginning. You should get this first. You can opt out of this if you want to. Delivery method, it will always be on shipping or ship to. You have to physically click on pickup. Once you've done that, you'll see it says pickup location. You'll then continue to your payment. Once you've continued to your payment, everything else is the same. If you want to change it to PayPal, Amazon, use Sezzle, that's where you'll do it. You'll add your billing address and then you'll click Pay Now. Once you get to Pay Now, it will submit your order for us to complete. If you want to use Shop Pay, you would click on your cart, click on I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Shop Pay. Once you're inside of Shop Pay, same thing happens. You're going to get your delivery right here. It will always choose first class package. So you have to go in and physically change that. Local pickup available near you is always shown right there. So you would come down and select local pickup underneath the shipping options. And then once you've done that, you'll continue to review if you need to review your address or bill to. And then once you've done that, you'll click Pay Now. The other options are all identical. Amazon Pay is going to take you directly to Amazon. Once you're inside of Amazon, you'll put in your username and your password. And then once you've done that, it will take you back to our website, just like ShopPay did. This one's not going to work for me because it's not the correct email address associated with this. It will give you the exact same information though. It'll ask you your delivery method. Make sure you put local pickup. The rest of them are going to do the same thing. So PayPal, Google Pay I don't have, Facebook Pay I don't have, Sezzle I don't have. However, they all work exactly the same. You have to make sure that you choose local pickup in each option in order to make it work. Okay. While I'm here, let me just show you a couple of new features, or a new feature. You can now chat with us. It does not mean that we are live on the chat with you, but if you do have a question, you can put your question in here and it will send a message to us and we will respond to it as soon as we possibly can. If you're interested in knowing whether or not your order is ready, you can go to Track My Order. Once you've clicked on Track My Order, it's going to ask you for your order information. It will want to know your order number and your email address. Once you've given them that, it will say Track My Order. If your order was shipped, it will give you the information about what your tracking information. If it's a local pickup, it will tell you that it is ready for you to pick up. You can also ask what our return policy is. It will give you a specific answer. It's the same thing that's on our receipts. Basically, you have 15 days to return something as long as it's not vinyl yards that we've cut custom for you, and as long as the merchandise isn't cut, bent, or damaged, especially the vinyl sheets because we can't resell those. As long as you get them back within 15 days, we will return your, we will take your items back as a return or as a store credit. Also, for customers who haven't used our rewards program, you have a rewards program available to you, and it's available online as well as in the store. So you can view your rewards right here. It shows that I have a $5 coupon that I can use, and it gives me the code. Here's the important part about the code. Once you have applied that code to your shopping cart, If you cancel your order or you choose not to finish your order, the code has been used or has been taken. If you come into the store and you had a code for online, you can do one of two things. You can give that to us. We should be able to use your code because you get a barcode in your email. If you don't do that, we can go into the back side and we can cancel that code so that then your points are available to you in the store. So you can do that two ways. Once you've accessed the code, sorry, I didn't click on that. Once you've accessed the code, though, it becomes available inside of here. Trying to remember where. Oh, right there. So I can go back to my cart because that's where it was. Let me get back over here real quick. I can highlight this. I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to come back into my checkout and I'm going to apply my code. And so when I apply my code, it now takes my amount down to $2.15. So that's how you use those codes, okay? But you do have to actually physically apply the code yourself. It won't apply it for you. I think that's it. If anybody has any questions or you run into a problem, please don't hesitate to call us, email us, or message us through the website. We will respond to every message. It just may take us a little bit of time. We totally appreciate everybody and everything that you do for us and for all the support. And I hope this helps.